Sikkim's opposition, Sikkim Democratic Front Party Chief Pawan Chambling led a delegation to Governor of Sikkim, Ganga Prasad, seeking attentions on various issues. Issues like to set up the COVID-19 laboratory testing facility immediately on war footing. The COVID-19 frontline warriors to be insured with insurance of rupees 1 lakh crore and paid a double salary during the line of duty. The farmer engaged in the agriculture, dairy, floriculture, horticulture, fishery, poultry, livestock, among others, are to be provided with minimum support price and compensations relief as per the damage to the product. In addition to this, they should be provided the necessary relief materials from time to time as to be distributed by the authority. All taxi drivers, commercial vehicles drivers to be provided an amount of rupees 10,000 per month as relief. In addition to this, they should be provided the necessary relief materials from time to time as to be distributed by authority. The neighboring district of the West Bengal bordering Sikkim have been declared as red alert zone areas. Therefore, proper investigation and disinfection process must be carried out to all essential food items, medical items, hardware materials before being allowed to enter Sikkim, suggested former Chief Minister Chambling. All those persons engaged in the pharmaceutical companies and other essential services providers to be paid 3 times their basic salaries, complete medical facilities and health care to be provided to all the individuals working in such sector. Many of the students who are undergoing higher studies and training courses within Sikkim and outside, they requested such students and persons undergoing courses be provided a relief of 300 per day of the relief amount of 10,000 per month. They also requested that strict action should be taken to regulate the supply of the essential commodities and to protect the consumer's interest. In order to mitigate and subsequently meet the ongoing future challenges, the state government should immediately set up the Medical Advisory Committee and the Economic Advisory Committee to be presented by the eminent personalities in respective fields. While later Pawan Chambling addressing the media also said they don't want to play politics at this crisis hour but have few suggestions to the government for the welfare of the people of Sikkim which should be addressed.